Good morning to all of you. On every 26th of November, we celebrate Constitution Day because on this day in 1949 we completed our Constitution. Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution of the world and cornerstone of our nation. It's my privilege to invite Dr. Salma Ab Sattar ma'am, Principal J.A.T Arts, Science and Commerce College, Malegaon, to deliver a special lecture on this occasion. Please ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to all of you. Hello viewers, honorable guests, respected professors, dear students and members of J.A.T College family. A very warm welcome to all of you on this auspicious day of celebration of Constitution Day, that is on 26th November 2025. Today we all gathered here to celebrate Constitution Day, which is known as Samvidhan Divas, a day of great national importance. On 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution, a document that not only laid the foundation of our democratic republic, but also illuminated the path for India's future as a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic nation. This day reminds us of the extraordinary vision of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, the principal architect of our constitution, and the tireless efforts of the esteemed members of Constituent Assembly who drafted a document that continues to guide our nation's governance, judicial system, values and aspirations. There are so many significance of Indian Constitution which we would like to discuss. The Constitution of India is not merely a legal document, but it is a living expression of our national ideals. It upholds justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and opportunity, fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. These all principles define who we are as citizens and as a collective society. On this day, we would like to discuss about the role of students and educational institutions. As an educational institution in J.A.T College, it is our responsibility to ensure that every student understands the essence of constitutional values. You, as a student, as a youth of India, are the torch bearers of democracy. Dear students, your actions, choices and commitment will shape the future of our nation. I encourage you all students to learn about your rights and duties as responsible citizens, respect diversity and uphold harmony, stand firmly against inequality, discrimination or injustice, practice the values of Constitution in everyday life. Education is not only degrees, it is about building character and contributing positively to society. On this Constitution Day, it is our duty Today, as we commemorate this historical day, let us renew our pledge to protect, preserve, and promote the values enshrined in the Constitution. We will be reading the preamble of Constitution, which serves as a timeless reminder of our collective vision for India. May this day inspire each one of us to be responsible citizens and defender of democratic principles. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to all the teachers and students who have participated in organizing today's program. Let us take pride in being part of a nation whose constitution is admired across the world for its path, vision, and commitment to justice. On this constitution, let us rededicate ourselves to the nation building, ethical citizenship, and upholding the values that bind us together. Thank you. Jai Hind. Dear students, on this Constitution Day of 26 November 2025, I would like to read out the preamble of the Constitution of India. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. We salute our framers of Indian Constitution and we pay great homage to the torch bearers of democracy of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much.